Welcome to Jeremy's IT Lab. This is a free, complete course for the CCNA 200-301. In this video, I will show you how to download and get started with Cisco's network simulation software, Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is a great tool to get hands-on experience in Cisco's command line interface to configure routers and switches. This video, however, will just be a basic exercise to get you familiar with the software, since we haven't learned any actual configurations yet in the course. Let's get started. This web page is part of Cisco's Networking Academy. To download Packet Tracer, you have to enroll in their Introduction to Packet Tracer course, although you don't actually have to do the course. I've never checked it out, but maybe give it a look if you have the time. You'll need a Networking Academy account to download, as well as log in to Packet Tracer to use it. Don't worry, it's all free. So click Enroll to download Packet Tracer and go through the steps. Then, click the link in the description of this video to download the Packet Tracer file for the video and open the file. You're greeted with a lonely internet cloud and some instructions. Since this is the first lab and I'm guessing some of you have never touched Packet Tracer, the task for this lab is simply to recreate the network diagram displayed at 16 minutes and 40 seconds into the Day 1 video. Let's take a look at that. So, there is one network on the left side and one on the right, both connected to the internet, as well as an attacker somewhere else on the internet. This is a pretty simple topology, so I've got it memorized, but feel free to switch between windows to confirm which devices go where as you make the diagram. First, I'll place the routers. In Packet Tracer, you can choose network devices and end devices, or end hosts, in the bottom left. Under Network Devices, then Routers, select the 2911 router. Drag to place one here for the New York LAN, and one here for the Tokyo LAN. Next, I'll place the firewalls. Again, under Network Devices, this time go to Security, select the 5500 firewall, then drag to place them. New York's firewall is outside of the router, and Tokyo's is inside. Next, let's place the switches. Under Network Devices, select Switches, choose the 2960 switch, and place one in each LAN. Okay, now we can place the end hosts, our PCs and servers. Select End Devices this time, and here under End Devices are the end hosts we need. Place two PCs in the New York LAN, and then two servers in the Tokyo LAN. Now finally, we can place the attacker. We are told in the lab instructions to use a laptop as the attacker in the diagram. Down here between PC and server is a laptop, so select it and place it here. Now let's fix these names on the diagram to match the ones in the video. Double-click on the device names, and then you can enter a different name. PC1's here already, so PC2, Switch 1, R1, Firewall 1, Attacker, R2, Firewall 2, Switch 2, Server 1, and finally, Server 2. There we go. Now that's not part of the lab instructions, but it's good to know how to change the host names on the diagram. Okay, now there's only one problem. None of these devices are connected together. We haven't studied about different connection and cable types yet in the course. So for this video, let's use a convenient feature of Packet Tracer. Click this lightning bolt for connections, and then the lightning bolt again here. If you look closely at the bottom, it says automatically choose connection type. So I'll use this and quickly connect all of the devices. PC1 to switch 1, PC2 to switch 1, switch 1 to R1, R1 to firewall 1, firewall 1 to the internet, attacker to the internet, R2 to the internet, R2 to firewall 2, firewall 2 to switch 2, server 1 to switch 2, and finally, server 2 to switch 2. Okay, that's all there is to this week's lab. Soon enough, we'll get into actual configurations and make this network work. Of course, feel free to look into Cisco's Introduction to Packet Tracer course and play around with Packet Tracer yourself when you have time. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. If you want to show your support, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share the video with anyone else studying for the CCNA. I accept donations via cryptocurrency or Patreon via the links in the description. I'm also a Brave verified publisher and accept BAT, or Basic Attention Token, tips via the Brave browser. Click the link in the description to check out Brave, a fast and sleek browser that pays you to surf the internet. That's all for now.